Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a litigation strategy with LexisNexis easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a litigation strategy using LexisNexis, start by logging into your LexisNexis account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the search bar, which is central to crafting your research. Determine the type of case you are dealing with. Decide whether you need case law, statutes, or secondary sources. Begin by entering relevant keywords related to your litigation issue. Use advanced search options for more specific results. Consider using filters to narrow down your search by jurisdiction, date, or document type. Once you have your search results, review the briefs and summaries displayed. Click on documents that seem most relevant to your case. Use the Shepherd Citations tool to check the validity of cases cited. Take notes on key points, legal precedents, and important rulings. Next, explore practice guides available in LexisNexis for your specific area of law. These guides often provide insights into litigation strategies and best practices. Access the litigation section to find case studies and practical tips. Identify key legal issues that pertain to your case and prepare arguments around them. Map out the potential strengths and weaknesses of your position. Consider reviewing opposing counsel's past cases for insight into their strategies. Utilize the court filings section to examine filed documents related to your case. This research can provide context and help anticipate strategies from the other side. Draft an outline of your legal arguments based on your research. Organize your findings into a cohesive strategy. As you develop your strategy, regularly save your research for future reference. Finally, discuss your findings with your team for collaborative input. Keep revising your strategy as new information emerges from your ongoing research. With LexisNexis, you can continuously adapt your litigation strategy for optimal results. By following these steps, you'll harness the full potential of LexisNexis in your legal practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.